In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the frustrating issue of your Google Meet microphone being muted by system settings. This is a common glitch that many users encounter, especially when they need to unmute themselves during important meetings. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of resolving this issue efficiently. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Meet. If you're not already signed in, click on the Sign In button. You will be prompted to choose your Google account, so make sure you select the correct one. Enter your password and click on Next to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll be right at the home page of Google Meet. Here, click on New Meeting to set the stage for a test run. Choose the Start an Instant Meeting option, and you'll immediately enter a meeting room. Now, if your microphone is muted due to system settings, you will likely see a notification indicating such. The next step is critical. On your computer, head over to the control panel. You can usually find this by searching for it in the Start menu search bar. Once you're there, click on the sound settings. This will open up a new window displaying various tabs. Navigate over to the recording tab. Here you'll see your microphone listed. Click on it and a button labeled Properties will appear at the bottom of the window. Give that a click and you'll be taken to another window labeled Microphone Properties. Within this window, switch over to the Levels tab. This is where you can directly influence the microphone settings. You want to make sure that the volume slider here is not set to 0, and more importantly, that the microphone is not muted. Adjust the slider to your desired level. Somewhere in the middle is generally a good start, as you can always tweak it later depending on your needs. Once you're satisfied, click OK to apply these settings. Now head back to your Google Meet session to check if the issue is resolved. You should find that your microphone is now picked up by Google Meet, and you can communicate without any hindrances. Congratulations, you've successfully fixed the microphone issue. This step-by-step guide not only resolves the immediate problem, but also equips you to handle similar issues in the future. Remember, keeping your system's audio settings properly configured is critical for a smooth online communication experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you out. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tips. Until next time.